How to reset Windows 11 laptop. In this video I will show you two methods: keep my files and remove everything. First, click settings, click system settings, scroll down, click recovery settings, click it, click reset this PC, click reset. First method, keep my files. So keep my files, it's remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files, but remove everything will remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. So first I choose keep my files, click it. Here you have two options. How would you like to reinstall Windows? Cloud download or else local reinstall. Cloud download, which download and reinstall Windows. Local reinstall Windows from this device. I go with local reinstall. In additional settings, restart apps and settings which came with this PC. Reinstall Windows from this device. If you want to change means you can change the options. It depends on you. Click confirm and click next. Wait for some time. Ready to reset this PC? The reset will change settings back to the default. Keep personal files, reinstall Windows from this device, remove all apps and programs that do not come with this PC. Check and click reset. Second method, click reset this PC, click it, click remove everything, remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. How would you like to reinstall Windows? Cloud download or local reinstall? I go with cloud download. Remove apps and files, do not clean the drive. Delete all files only from Windows drive. Download and reinstall Windows. Click next. Make sure you have enough memory space and click reset. So these are the two ways to reset the Windows 11 laptop. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.